Alright guys, so today I do have something a little bit more special. I found Sleek Makeup, and this is a European brand that's just now starting to be sold in the US. And you could order it online from, I think it was like the UK before, but it did take a little bit of a while to get to you. So I actually did find it at Walgreens. It did come in like this kit. It was like a holiday kit, so you guys probably can't find it anymore. It came in this. But all these, I think, are part of their main line, and so even though you don't get it in the kit, you can still get them separately, so that is why I did film with them. I did get this look. I used the highlight palette, there was a blush palette, and then an eyeshadow palette. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this eyeshadow look and how the blush and the highlight applied, then continue to watch. I am going to be doing a full day wear test on these to see if they actually last. So yeah, let's get into it. So first thing that I think I want to do is use their eyeshadow palette, and this is in Vintage Romance 141, and their little applicator did just go flying out, and it is just one of those sponge things I'm not going to use. So it looks like the only shade that's matte is actually up in this corner right here, and it's like a brown. So I guess we'll go into that with our crease first. So that is what the brown looks like. It kind of gave off like a pink tone, and I don't know if that's maybe because I did use like a red on this, but it's all clean, so I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go for more of the smoky eye. So I'm gonna take this purple down here. These are all really shiny, so I'm gonna use probably this purple and this purple because they look the least amount of glitter in them. Now I'm going to take like a smaller fluffy brush instead of like this big one. This one was from Scone, but it's all rubbed off now, so I don't know the number. But we're going to go in with that dark purple. It is deepening up quite a bit. It is kind of a shiny purple. It's definitely lighter than in the pan. So we're going to go in with this black shade in the corner and try to deepen it up. And hopefully this one isn't too glittery. Okay, so there is that. I think I'm either going to go in with this silver shade or one of these like golden-y shiny ones. Alright, so I'm going to take a Morphe M167 and I'm going to take the purple and the black and just mix them together and put them on the outer corner and kind of bring them in a little bit farther than usual because we're only going to put this silver shade on that first half and kind of keep this like a dark smoky look. So we're just going to go in with that purple and black on the lid. I kept the purple more in the middle of the lid and the black on the outside. So we are going to take that same Morphe brush and just kind of clean it off. And we're going to take the silver in the upper corner and we're going to spray that with some Matte Fix Plus to make it super shiny and stay on my lid. Okay, so that is what the eyes are looking like. I really like this eyeshadow palette actually. Like it blended out really nice and it didn't take much time, and with a smoky eye look it kind of takes forever, and that black blended out really nice. And so yeah, I actually really like this. We are going to see how it does last throughout the day. I'm not going to put on an eyeliner because I am doing a mascara Monday as well, so I want you guys to be able to see the actual lashes. So we're going to keep it like this and see how it lasts. Alright, so before I finish the eyes, I'm going to go in with this blush palette, and I will just kind of swatch each shade for you guys on the back of my hand right now because I don't really know what shade I want to use. There's like a yellow, there's a shiny pinkish, and then there's a like a gold coral. And I don't like shiny, so I probably won't use that first shade. And I don't understand what the yellow is for, so I think I'm just gonna go with the coral with a very light hand and hope it works out okay. Alright, so the coral did blend out really nice. I didn't go too heavy-handed because honestly it kind of scared me. But it does look really nice, and it just doesn't say the shade, but this is the Blush by 3 palette, 367, and I do really like it. We're going to go in with the highlight palette next, and this is the Scholastic 032. And it does come with a little brush that I'm not going to use. It was over here. Here are some swatches for you guys. So starting over here is the cream, then it's the yellow, then it's the pinkish one, and then the like the more tannish peachy one. Those two, pink and the peach, kind of look the same, but they're a little bit different. But yeah, I'm going to actually mix these two shades and just mix those. This one over here is a cream and this one's yellow. And I don't really feel like using yellow, so we're gonna mix these two shades together. Holy shit. Oh god. Okay, well, go very light-handed. These all look really nice, and especially on the face, like they're super blinding. They're a little bit glittery, but they are really pretty. So I'm going to take the pinkish one and use that for my inner corners on my eyes. And I'm also going to use it as a brow bone highlight. The face is done. We're going to go back into the eyeshadow palette and just do the lower lash line. So I'm just going to kind of skip this part. I'm going to use this darkish purple and this darkish pinkish purple, the dark purple and the black on the lower lash line, and just kind of blend those out to look nice, but yeah. Alright guys, this is what it looks like after I put on my mascara, and I did use the Lights, Cameras, Lashes, Lights, Cameras, Flashes, Lashes, I don't know, the Tarte one. It's this one. I have a little sample size, but I did have a full size at one point, and I do really like it. Well, I did actually put up a mascara Monday. If you want to go see that, that will probably go up before this one. It's currently 7:48 in the morning. Kind of a late start today. Usually, you know, getting up at 4, but I don't work there today, so I am going to go on with the rest of my day. I will tell you guys how this all works out. I'll see you guys around lunch-ish. Alrighty, so the current time is 2:45 in the afternoon, and I just got back from my other job. I thought it'd be around noon, but it's not. And so the eyeshadow is holding up really nice. It's not creasing or anything. And I did use my MAC paint pot in soft ochre for the base. The highlight still looks really nice, and the blush is still on, and it's not getting oily or anything. So yeah, so far so good. I will check back in just tonight and let you guys know my final thoughts, but so far I really like these, and I'm definitely going to be using them a lot more. Okay guys, so it is the end of the night for me. It is currently 7:06 at night, and I do have to wake up early tomorrow for work, and I have tests, so I might as well get as much sleep as I can. But yeah, so the makeup, the highlight is still kind of there. It's definitely not as vibrant as the beginning of the day, that's for sure. But the eyeshadow still looks really nice and it hasn't creased. And the highlight did stay better on like my upper brow bone and my inner corners. The blush also lasted pretty nice, so I think overall, for my first time experiencing sleek makeup, they did pretty good. I do like them and I will definitely keep using them. Maybe I will become adventurous enough to either use that more orange or that shimmer blush, but the coral one is really nice, and I think the set for this one with the holiday set was like 15 bucks, so it was definitely worth it. So yeah, I think they're definitely worth checking out. I did really like this makeup, and if I see any more of their stuff at my local drugstore, I will definitely pick some up because this stuff was really good. Alright guys, if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. What, baby? Okay. Oh, my baby, what's wrong? What? What's wrong? What's wrong, little munchkin? You know mommy's trying to film. What? Oh, now you're gonna leave? No? What are you doing? Oh, okay.